Adulting. It's tough, right? From endless bills to constant cleaning, it can feel like you're always playing catch up. But what if I told you there are secret life hacks to make adulting way easier? Let's dive in. First up, time management. We all know how precious time is, but sometimes it feels like there's just not enough of it. Hack number 1, use the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it right away. This prevents small tasks from piling up into a massive to-do list. And hack number 2, try time blocking. Dedicate specific hours to certain tasks, like grocery shopping or answering emails. You'll be amazed at how much you get done. Also, consider using task management apps like Trello or Google Calendar to keep everything organized. Next up, money matters. We all know finances can be a headache, but here's how you can stay on top of them. Hack number 3, automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to a savings account each payday. It's a stress-free way to build an emergency fund without even thinking about it. Hack number 4, pay down high-interest debt first. If you're juggling multiple loans or credit cards, focus on the ones with the highest interest rates. You'll save tons on interest in the long run. Keeping a tidy home doesn't have to be a chore. Check out these cleaning and organizing hacks. Hack number 5, put more than just dishes in the dishwasher. You can clean toys, sponges, even some shoes in there. Just set it on a gentle cycle. Hack number 6, got old socks? Use them to dust. They're perfect for grabbing dirt off blinds or shelves. Just slip one over your hand and you're good to go. Hack number 7, for a quick room freshener, mix water and essential oils in a spray bottle. A few spritzes and your home smells amazing, without harsh chemicals. Let's talk food. Eating healthy and cooking at home doesn't have to take forever. Hack number 8, meal prep. Set aside one day a week, like Sunday, to prep ingredients for your meals. Chop veggies, marinate meats, and pack snacks ahead of time. It saves hours during the week. Hack number 9, freeze your leftovers. Got extra portions? Freeze them for quick meals when you're in a pinch. You'll thank yourself on those super busy days. Adulting isn't just about paying bills. It's also about taking care of yourself. Hack number 10, stay hydrated. Use a water bottle with time markers on it to remind yourself to drink throughout the day. Staying hydrated boosts energy, focus, and your overall mood. Hack number 11, try mini mindfulness breaks. Just 5 minutes of deep breathing or meditation can clear your mind and recharge you for the day. And there you have it. These simple life hacks will make adulting feel a little less overwhelming and a lot more manageable. Remember, it's all about working smarter, not harder. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more life-changing hacks, and share with a friend who could use them too. Until next time, happy adulting.